Hello guys, today I want to talk to you a bit about lists. Now lists, or arrays as other languages call them, are pretty crucial in computing and can save you lots of time and effort, so it's worth paying attention here. Now, just imagine guys, I'm playing a game of darts. Me and my friends Dave and Pete are playing darts and we've got three scores. We want to be able to use them easily on the computer. A list has one variable name and that can hold three values. I bet now you're thinking, what? A variable with three values? How does that work? Well, I'm about to show you, so hang on to your hats. Firstly, lists in Python love square brackets. So put square brackets in, and then the three scores. My score is 76, I'm good at darts, what can I say? Dave's score is only 63, bit poor really, but Pete's a legend at darts. Pete has got 85, good stuff. And now, I have made a variable and I can access them. This is scores 0, scores 1, and scores 2. We always start counting from 0 in computing. Ask me later. Long story. So, I just put here print, then normal brackets, scores, and then square brackets. They always have square brackets. Put a 0 in, and then press play. And hopefully, oh look, there's 76. Let's try the next one. Let's try Pete's score. 63. Ooh, needs to get rid of this Pete. And then a 2. And 85. It's run perfectly. Beautiful, we're thinking. Great. But that way is a bit hard work. We have to change the number manually each time. The joy of lists is you can use loops to go through each number in turn. Now there's two ways of doing this using for loops. So I'm going to show you the normal version and the extended for loop. If I can type extend, that would help, wouldn't it? I can't spell extended either, never mind. Right, for x in range 0 to, we'll say 3. There'd be one more than that, and that's 2, so that's 3. X in range 0 to 3. Sorry guys, it's been a long day, what can I say? So, in range 0 to 3, we're going to print, and then we're going to put in here scores x. How about that? And now if I run it, we should see all three numbers appearing there in order. So that's one way of doing it, and that works nicely. It's pretty cool. But there is a quicker and actually lazier way of doing this. It involves far less writing and far less work. Just write for x in scores. Now, doing square brackets, you need a colon. And then here, I just write print, and then in brackets x. That's all you need. And at that point, this again will print out exactly the same values. Twice. How about that, see? So both of them do exactly the same thing, but this is a bit easier to write and work through. It also means you don't have to know how big the array is, the whole array. But if you wanted to use only part of the array, then the normal for loop will be better, as is probably obvious here. So, that's there. Now, using loops, we can actually change variable values in them. So say it's Pete's turn, and he's only had 60, the first one, and he's got 17. We can do it two ways. One is we could say scores, square brackets 1, which is Pete. We can say scores 1 equals, here's what 17, we'll say 80. And after run it again, we will see down here, 80 is appearing in there. Or, we can be a bit lazy, just type score 1 plus equals 17. And then, it'll do the maths for us. See? And you can do this to any number you want to. In fact, we can even change the numbers. So if I wanted to know what these numbers were times 38, I'd say, for x in scores, print x times 38. And now, if I run the program again, oh look, there are the numbers. That's their scores times 38. Isn't that fascinating? No? Never mind. Now, last thing I want to show you today, guys, the last thing I want to show you here is I can put another value on the end. Say my friend Doug turns up, and Doug is a fantastic darts player, and he goes, I want to come and join, I'll start from the bottom, and catch up. So his first hand, he throws 38. Pretty good score, I think. So how do I add Doug's score onto this? Well, quite easy. I just say scores, and then I say plus equals. So I say add it to the end. And I put in square brackets. And inside my square brackets, I just put the 38. If I run it again now, hopefully. So the bottom one has it, but the top one doesn't. Why not? Because in range, it's only going from 0 to 3. If I make that a 4 now, though, there we are, 38 has appeared. So today, guys, we've talked about lists and how one variable can hold multiple values, names, whereas the variable name and a number in square brackets. We've seen the two ways of doing loops for these. We have seen how to add them to the end and how to perform maths in our loops, or any way you want to actually. I hope you now feel more comfortable with loops. I hope the lesson will make you feel more happy as well. Thank you very much and good night.